Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica and it's been a long time since I've done a makeup tutorial. If you guys want to learn how to do this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to start out prepping my face. This is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil. This one is in the color dark brown. So I'm going to start doing a few little lines. Okay, and then next I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Put it upside down. This is the sealer brush. This one is from Alpha. Take a little bit of black eyeshadow and I'm going to sweep it through the brow to darken it. And the next thing I'm going to do is go in with my NYX Wonder Pencil, but this one's in the color Light, and I'm going to go ahead and line my brow. Take my flat Eco Tool brush and I'm going to blend that in and clean up the edges. So the next, I'm going in with my NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. Use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. Alrighty, and then next I'm going to use my Top Shape Tape Concealer, and this one is in the color Light. And I'm going to take that under my eyes. I think that's good. My setting powder is going to be the Laura Mercier. Did I pronounce that correctly? It's going to be translucent powder. Alrighty, so I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked brush, and I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette, and I'm going to use the color Tempera, which is pretty close to my skin tone. My Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to do a transition color here. Third one. Really high. Kind of a grungy look, like the looks that I usually do. So here's that. It's a little bit more vibrant in person because I have so much light in here. So dip in Saturn again. Take it on this side. there's that. I go in with a little bit more and intensify that a little bit more. To Real Gar, which is in the Renaissance palette. And I'm gonna go right below that orange. Going to Red Ochre. I haven't used that one in a while. This is kind of like a brick red color. So there's that so far. And then I'm going to put brown shade. Let's see. I'm gonna use the, I think, oh, Parallel. It's brown color in the Prism palette. Really light. And then I'm gonna use my Pat McGrath Labs black smudge liner. It's a charcoal color. I'm gonna take that a little bit along the lash line here. That brush that I use for my brows. Take Obsidian black eyeshadow and start really close to the lash line. I'm gonna take my flat side of my brush here. Okay, now I'm gonna go under the eyes. Okay, I'm gonna smudge that out. And I'm gonna go under with a little bit of brown. Flat brush, black eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with my eyeliner pen. This is the Tartist Liquid Liner. Double take? Yeah. So I'm gonna start right here on my lower eyelid. Draw it up. And then I'm gonna go on this side. Take it right here. And draw it up. Make sure that they match. Kind of just look down, up, and then looks good to me. Fill it out. I'm going to use my e.l.f. liquid liner in the color black. Go in with my Sephora Pro Precision Powder Brush, the number 59. I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Okay. I'm gonna set my face with the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Okay, and then I'm gonna highlight my face, and I'm gonna use the Morphe E36 brush. I'm gonna use the Morphe M501 brush, and I'm gonna use the Alchemist palette by Kat Von D. I haven't done blue in a while. I guess I could do blue highlight. So I'm gonna go in. See it right there. It's kind of like a mermaid tail kind of blue. I'm gonna take my bigger fluffy brush, go on the cheek, a little bit on the upper brow, kind of fan that out here. There's that. And then I like to intensify my highlight. I'm going to use my Pat McGrath white pigment, and this is like a shimmer shadow, and I like to use this as a highlight. There you go. You can't really see it that well, but anyways, use those same brushes. Pick up a little bit, don't need a whole lot, and I like to put it right on top of my highlight. So there's that. And then onto the lips. I'm going to use my Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. This one's in the shade Family Jewels. I'll shake it up real quick. And it's kind of like a chocolate brown color. I'm going to apply that. Alright, so there's that. And if you guys want to know where I got this t-shirt, I got it from Johnny Strong's website. So I'll put it in the link below. It's johnnystrong.com, and it is the Love Maker Heartbreaker t-shirt. It's so nice, it's soft, and I love it.